and it is Fairy Garden Thursday, and it is hosted by Grandma Sandy. Hi, Grandma. Hope everything's okay. And her co-hosts are Sandy Lynn, Home and Garden, Barbie Daly, Rural Life in the Valley, and myself, Sharon Jornagel. Okay, today I have these little baskets. I've had them for a while. Just thrifted them. And I have another one of these little baskets that I used in the last one. And I'm just going to set it inside here instead of filling it with foam. And I can make a fairy garden in there. Or maybe like a little fairy house. I haven't decided. Anyhow, I just thought these little baskets were cute. I have two the same, so I don't know if I'll do two or not. So that's what I'm going to work on today. So I need to get my glue guns turned on, plugged in. Anyhow, I'll be back in a minute. I picked out a few things, not sure what I'm going to use. But just going to start building. So the first thing I'm going to do is glue this. First thing I'm going to do is glue this little basket in here. So I'm going to put glue along here. Oops. I don't want to drop it on my legs or my feet or anything. Okay, let's get it glued in here. There, I should do it. Yep. And I think I'll use the standing fairy for this one. I'm going to cut the wire off. Oops. See if I can poke it in. Let's just poke this in here. Yeah, that's high enough. So I'm going to poke her back there. So we'll put some glue back here. Some glue on here. Make sure she's stuck in there good. Oh, shoot. Ouch. Well, I didn't want that to happen. The wire fell out of her foot. There, put some glue on it. Now, I'm going to fill her little basket. What shall we fill it with this time? I think I'm going to use some of this moss. It's very different. Maybe we can have some different animals in there with that. A little bit of this moss, and we have a little bit of sheep moss too. But I like this moss. I like the texture. So let's get a big piece of this moss. Okay. We got her standing up in there. That's good. Okay. Oops. Need some glue stick. There we go. Okay. And I'm going to glue this in here. Oops. And let's just make sure you guys are seeing. Have some. So these are just little shapes that are covered in moss. Whoops. I'll just put two in there and see what happens. Okay, we're going to dig through here and see what we've got. Okay, I've got bunnies. Bunnies. I think she needs a bunny. You stand up there, little feller. Okay, here's a ladybug. It's a pretty big ladybug, but oops, it's got white on it. What's that? That's paint or something. Don't want that on there. Okay, somehow the ladybug got some white on it, but I scraped it off. I'm just going to put it here. Here's another ladybug. Let's just put it on this side. Okay. I have this really nice big ivy. I think that'd look okay going over here because it just looks like it's in a garden. Well, it took me a while to get the ivy on there. It was kind of tricky, so I thought, well, I'll just speed this part up because it took quite a few minutes for me to get it on there. Burnt myself twice. Anyhow, we finally got it on there how I like. So, welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, I would love it if you joined our YouTube channel and subscribed, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment to let me know what you think. So, this little fairy garden was lots and lots of fun to make. Like I said, I burnt my finger twice putting these leaves on. It just takes patience, and sometimes that glue gun gets way too hot for anybody to handle. So I hope this sped up version is okay because you get to see what I'm doing, but kind of in fast speed. And I did wire the ivy onto the handle as well as glue it. So you'll get on and see what else we add to the handle and around the fairy. There, now the ivy is looking pretty good. And I did put a few pieces on the back and everything, just so it looks good from all around. Okay, now we'll go back to regular speed and see what we're doing. Got these pink flowers with her pretty dress. Should I hang a whole stem of this off the side? Let's cut a little bit of this and see. It is springy because it's lilac. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, turn this way. We don't want you facing the back. We want you facing the front. Thank you very much. Okay, I just kept adding flowers, little pieces of the lilac to the branch just until I got it how I liked it, and I added some at the back as well. And I think it turned out quite pretty. Okay, we got more lilacs. So I'm going to put some lilacs back in here, I think. And just brighten it all up. And there we are. Very springy. There is our sweet little fairy, and she is among some pink lilacs, and we have a couple of ladybugs and a cute little bunny in there with her. And it's in a basket and it has ivy around the handle, and it has lilacs, and it's all in a very cute little basket. Isn't that just a sweet little fairy garden? Well, thank you very much for watching, and thank you, Grandma Sandy, for hosting this collaboration. And don't forget about the other two co-hosts, Sandy Lynn and Barbara Daly. They always have sweet fairy gardens too. So I hope you enjoyed this fairy garden, and I'll see you next week on Thursday. And Sunday I do a video, and it is Sunday Home Reset. Lots of inspiration for making your home a home. Okay, we'll see you in the next video. Bye!